Good day everyone. We are Group 2. I am the first reporter in our group. My name is Jersey May Santa Maria. Our topic is Fermat's Little Theorem. So, what is Fermat's Little Theorem? Fermat's Little Theorem states that if V is a prime number, then for any integer a, the number a raised to p minus a is an integer multiply of p. In the notation of modular arithmetic, this is expressed as a raised to p. So, yung Fermat's Little Theorem, meron tayong parang mga example na ipapakita nila sa susunod na reporter. Doon natin makikita kung ano talaga yung Fermat's Little Theorem. Next. Fermat's Little Theorem is special cases can be used to simplify the process of modular exponentiation. So, isisimplify natin yung mga problem sa Fermat's Little Theorem. So, who invented Fermat's Little Theorem? So, ang nag-invento na yon is Pierre de Fermat, first who write what would become his. Pinangalanan niyang Little Theorem noong 1679. As was typical of Fermat, she did not include a proof for fear the proof would be too long. So, si de Fermat, siya yung nagsulat ng Little Theorem at siya kaya tinawag yon is the base for the Fermat primality test and is one of the fundamental result of elementary number theory. Kaya yun natawag na number theory kasi the theorem is named after Pierre de Fermat who started in 1640. Is called the Little Theorem. Bago daw nilabas yung Little Theorem, si Pierre de Fermat sinimulan niya noong 1640. Then, pinangalanan ni pagkatapos ni Pierre de Fermat, pinangalanan na yung Fermat Little Theorem. Para makilala ito sa pamamagitan ni Fermat. Next. Fermat Little Theorem. Let P be a prime number, A an integer where 1 is less than to equal A, less than to equal P. Then, ito po yung makikita natin yung mga nagamit po sa may Fermat Little Theorem. Makikita natin siya. Ito yung mga ginagamit natin na formula para para ma-solve natin yung mga solving. Para makita rin natin kung kung paano isolve by step. Our next reporter is Missy Cordova.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Betty May Pableo. I am the next reporter for Fermat's Little Theorem. So the properties of Fermat's Little Theorem is let M be a positive integer and let A, B, C, D be integers. Then, number 1, A is identical to A mod M. Number 2, if A is identical to B mod M, then B is identical to A mod M. Number 3, if A is identical to B mod M and B identical to C mod M, then A is identical to C mod M. Number 4, letter A, if A is identical to QM plus R mod M, then A is identical to R mod M. Letter B, every integer A is congruent to mod M to exactly 1 of 0, 1, 2, M minus 1. Next po, number 5, if A is identical to B mod M and C is identical to D mod M, then A is not equal to C. Rather, the C is identical to B but not equal to D mod M, and AC is identical to BD mod M. Number 5, or letter A sa number 5, if A is identical to B mod M, then A is not equal to C, but C is identical to B, but not equal to C mod M. And AC is identical to BE mod M. Next, if A is identical to B mod M, then A sub n is identical to B sub n mod M for any NEZ class. Number 6, if sub C and M is equal to 1 and AC is identical to BC mod M, then A identical to B mod M. That will be all. Thank you po. Next reporter po is Missy Cordova.
So, we have 3 examples here of the Fermat's Little Theorem. So, ang unang example is what is the remainder when 7 raised to 2001 is divided by 5. So, gagamitin natin yung formula ng Fermat's Little Theorem, which is A raised to P minus 1 divided by 1 remainder 1 or 1 modulo P. So, yung A po is integer and P is a prime number. So, 5 is a prime number and 7 is a natural number. Although 7 is a prime number. So, which is 7 raised to 1 is equals to 7 divided by 5. The remainder is 2. Which is 7 raised to 2 is equals to 49 divided by 5. The remainder is 4. So, look at the remainder to repeat after a while. The most efficient solutions come from the Maslow theorem. So, kailangan po nating alam gamitin yung multiplication rule of modular arithmetic. So, etong 7 raised to 4, congruent 1 modulo 5. So, i-rewrite lang po natin siya. Kaya magiging 7 raised to 4 congruent to 1 modulo 5. So, gagamitin natin yung formula ng multiplication rule of modular arithmetic. So, A congruent B modulo n, and C congruent D modulo n, then AC congruent BD modulo n. So, i-multiply natin siya, magiging 7 raised to 8 congruent 1 modulo 5. So, multiply ulit natin siya, magiging 7 raised to 12 congruent 1 modulo 5. So, meron siyang remainder 2. Magiging 7 congruent 2 modulo 5. So, saan pwedeng hindi naman pwedeng exact na makuha natin yung 2001, kaya magiging 7 raised to 2000 congruent 1 modulo 5. So, the answer is, di ba meron tayong remainder 1. So, answer natin is 7 raised to 2001 congruent to modulo 5. Next. So, second example natin is 2 raised to 2003 divide 11. So, kailangan nating hanapin yung exponent muna. So, meron tayo ditong technique. So, iisip tayo ng pwedeng i-divide sa 2003. So, walang exact. So, magiging 2003 divide 10 is equals to 200 remainder 3. So, nakuha natin itong 2 raised to 10 dahil, di ba, wala namang exact yung 2003. So, dinivide natin siya sa may 10, kaya naging 200. So, 2 raised to 10 is equals to 11. So, etong 2 raised to 10 raised to 200, tsaka etong times 2 raised to 3, remainder siya. Congruent 11. So, ang gagawin natin, we can already change into 1 raised to 200 times 2 raised to 3 divide 11 is equals to 8 congruent 11 or 8 modulo 11. So, yun po yung answer. Next. So, i-apply natin yung Fermat's-Little theorem into real life. So, if today is Sunday, what day is it after 5 raised to 2019 days? So, 5 raised to 2019 congruent 7. So, sabi ko nga kanina, kailangan iisip tayo ng pwedeng i-multiply or i-divide dito sa may 2019. So, may remainder siya na 3. So, gagawin natin, hahanapin natin yung exponent. So, magiging ang answer natin kapag nagamit na, ililipat natin siya, magiging 1 raised to 303 times 5 raised to 3 congruent 7 is equals to 6 modulo 7. So, dahil sisimulan natin sa Sunday, mayroong 6 days. Sa may isang linggo, merong 7 days. So, ang nakuha natin is 6. Magiging Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday. So, the answer is Saturday. Next. So, yun lang po yung report namin. Salamat po sa pakikinig.